Hey, Chiara, Francica here, coming to you with an awesome video on 3 reasons why I chose to start promoting ClickFunnels this 2019. Now, you are probably watching this because you're looking for valid reasons as to why to promote ClickFunnels and not something else. Because at the end of the day, there are tons of opportunities out there. So obviously, we're probably looking for the best thing to promote. Now, honestly, I'm one of those people who will actually tell you what you promote, despite that it's helping other people, of course, that it doesn't really matter. Because and once again, I'm going to emphasize this: as long as you're helping others with what you're promoting, it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, you don't want to burn bridges and you want to recommend stuff to people that's going to help them so much in their business that they will come back to you over and over again for recommendations. Now, honestly speaking, I chose to go with ClickFunnels this year because I learned the hard way of building a 6-figure business. I did mistakes, and I don't regret them because I didn't know better. I was learning and I learned the hard way. But I built a 6-figure business multiple times with programs that, let's just say, the FTC did not really like them, so they got shut down, and I built an empire for, it was a lot of work. I built a whole empire, and then my liquid cash gone, start all over again. So I had to really do a deep search and look for something that I knew that would not get shut down, and I can just build on it even up to 7 figures now. And I have something that gives me a predictable income each month. All right, and it's not going to be shut down so easily. So I chose ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels, as you probably know, I'm assuming that if you're watching this, you know what it is, but it's what automates the selling process for marketers. So they send traffic to a funnel, and that funnel is created with ClickFunnels, and they automate the whole selling process. They build relationships with the people going through that system, that funnel, so to speak, and it really helps with the selling process. All right, so the reason I like ClickFunnels is it's a business tool. It's a software people need to build their business. So people do not need more business opportunities. So if you go out there, especially if you're doing free Facebook strategies, like me, that's like one of my main traffic sources. Most people already have a business opportunity. So why would I present them with another one? Okay, and I can do that. I've done that in the past and it's worked, but it's not really helping people. What people need more of is actually building a business. So this is why I like business tools and software, because I know that that's the kind of stuff that's going to help them build a really solid business foundation, so that they can generate the money they want to, like the revenue they want to create with their business opportunity. So with ClickFunnels, they have this evergreen element to it. It's a business tool. People need it. So when people buy it and they build their business around it, on it, they build everything on it. Like for me, for example, I have ClickFunnels and I've got a funnel in there that I just can't leave ClickFunnels, in other words, okay? So I can't leave ClickFunnels. So I've built my entire business around it. So, I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to keep paying that monthly subscription. So whoever sponsored me keeps getting that monthly commission from me. So people pay, that's the basic monthly is $97 a month, and the commission you get is $38.80 for each person. But imagine they build their business around that, and they're not gonna leave. So you just build on that. So first you focus on getting enough people to pay your bills, and then you just build on it. And that's why I love it, because now I know that I'm building something that's going to create a predictable income for me each month. And if I go on a vacation, I don't have to worry about, oh my God, do I know if I'm going to have the same amount of money that came in this month, next month? Because with high ticket, when I was very focused on those one-off big commissions, obviously it's very attractive, but come Christmas, people don't want to spend their money, you know, and I was realizing that not every month was the same. Would have months where the income was like up here, and then the next month it's like down here, especially come December, you know, like I was talking about Christmas. So, you know, you want to be smart and like build an income that is passive recurring. So that's me coming to the second thing about ClickFunnels. That's what I love about ClickFunnels. So it has a passive recurring element to it. So basically, you literally get people in on a monthly subscription, and they pay $97 each month. As long as they have their business built in there, they're not gonna leave. So every month you have the $38.80 coming in each month. Now, ClickFunnels has lots of backend, like they have these backend, you know, like products. They have various funnels, but they have, for example, the next upgrade is like 100. No, the next upgrade is for people who want more functionality. Let's say they want to create membership sites and things like this. They pay $297 a month. The commission would be $118.80, I believe, each month. So once they upgrade and they keep paying that month after month after month, you get $118 for that person that's upgraded each and every month. And you see the power with this? Like, do you see why business tools create a solid foundation for your business? I'm not saying you should only promote these products. Later on, you can build your own passion projects, but I'm building this out now so that I don't have something that crumbles again. I can go on a vacation and have my mind at rest because I've got an income that is predictable, that is coming in each and every month, that's going to pay my bills, my employees, and anything that's helping me scale my business, advertising and whatnot. Now, one last thing that I love about ClickFunnels, and this is why you should be promoting it too, is that ClickFunnels has what they call sticky cookies. So what these sticky cookies are they have free books, and they even have an MP3 player called Marketing in Your Car. But like with the books, these are free. You have a link to give away free books. These books are way better than any $1,000 course that there is out there, because they are written by the owner himself, Russell Brunson. And by the way, this guy can sell like easily 3 million from stage. All right. So he created these books, and they're amazing. Like, I'm literally reading through them, and they teach everything about like persuasion and selling and funnels and copywriting and anything that's going to help you with scaling up your business and creating a huge business. So yeah, he wrote these books. One's called .com Secrets, and the other one is Expert Secrets, and the links are down below. You can get them for free. You just pay for shipping. Yes, those are my links, but the books are free. You're just paying $7.95 to get them shipped via UPS to your home. All right, so those are free. Now, those sticky cookies, what they do is they basically get people into the funnel, and they're cookied to you. Now, anything else that they sell on your behalf without you doing any extra work, all right, you keep getting a cut. All right, not many affiliate programs do this, but once you give away this free book, if the person came through your link, anything else Russell sends, and they have like a lot of backend offers. Like, the main thing they sell is the membership site that I was telling you about, where people create the funnels, but they also have like you know, funnel hacks and anything like they have, for example, like conferences as well. And they have like more upsells. Like, they have, I believe it's called the 2 commas. It's called 2 commas, where people like get group coaching, and then there's like even direct coaching with Russell, and I think that's like $50,000 a year. You keep getting a cut. All right. Now, you tell me, if you can give away free books, we need to sit down and talk, right? Because everyone loves a free book. All right. And these are great books. These teach persuasion. Like I said, anything that's going to help people with building their business. All right. Great for anyone who wants to build their online business. These books are great. So I really do recommend you actually get them. All right. So yeah, now those are the 3 main things. Now, for those of you that still haven't joined, and if you're looking into getting it, I'm going to obviously offer you guys to go through my link. You guys can get the 14-day trial down below. You can also just become an affiliate. I'll also leave that link down below. However, me personally, I would not recommend you promote something that you have not tried and tested yourself. I do believe you should go to the dashboard, see what it's like and how dummy friendly it actually is to create funnels with this. Like you could literally just sit down for a week and go to the tutorials and you'll be creating funnels in no time. But for people who go through my links, you guys will get a bonus. I actually have a funnel that I used to sell people into ClickFunnels, and you guys can leverage that. So this is going to be only for people who go through my link. So if you guys decide to get this, you guys you're going to have an email down below. It's my business email. You guys just email me, tell me I signed up with this link, and you double check, and also then email me my bonuses, and I'll send you like the bonuses where you guys will get the funnel, but you'll also get training, back office, like a whole back office with training from a 7-figure earner. Like he's my mentor and I've learned everything from him, everything that's helped me build a multi-6-figure business. You guys will get access to all his training, and you guys will literally have everything you need even to build an entire business from scratch into a 7-figure business. All right, it's what I'm using to scale from 6 to 7. You guys will get access to that for free. All right. No, there is no catch. We're actually looking for a lot of social proof. So we need people to go through the training and use the funnel so that they can build themselves up, and we can use that social proof, so to speak, so that we can help more people. All right. So if you have any queries, have questions, you guys just send me an email. I'll leave it down below. You can also see the funnel I'm talking about so that you guys can use that to leverage ClickFunnels and build your own ClickFunnels. You guys can see that. You guys just need to go to successwithchiara.com, but I will leave it down in the description below. Go check it out and guys have a look and see. You guys are gonna love it. You guys are gonna want to leverage it, I'm pretty sure. So with that being said, guys, I'll also leave my Facebook down below, and anything else that I know will help, I will leave it down below. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to welcoming you on the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Adios.